morning! I'm Coach Maymay Formento, one of the international speaker and business coach here in the Philippines. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to become a millionaire? Do you want to earn daily? Do you want to make your dreams come true? If your answer is yes, our company is Alliance in Motion Global, also known as AIM Global, the #1 MLM company in Asia. We are now 11 years in the industry and has created for about 4,000 self-made millionaires and counting. And right now, we are expanding all over Africa. The people behind in this life-changing opportunity are Sir John Aspirin, the Chief Marketing Officer, Sir Francis Miguel, our Chief Finance Officer, and our Chief Executive Officer, and the #1 direct selling CEO in the world, Dr. Ed Cabantog.
Hi, I'm Coach Rami Cardosa, business coach in the Philippines and international speaker. Now, if you register today, you will get all the benefits. First, you will receive a product worth of 814,200 UJX. Second, you will also have 25% up to 50% discount of all products. Third, you will have your own personal webpage DTC. It is just like a virtual office where you can monitor all your business transactions. 4. Business kits. 5. You can avail an ATM for your easily daily encashment. Yes, you have heard it right. We are paying out daily. Plus, you have a chance to be qualified for our expense paid trip plus pocket money to Asia, Europe, and USA. You will get all the benefits if you register today. This is a value for money. This registration fee is only 777,000 UJX.
Great morning! I'm Coach Randy Atienza. I'm a business coach as well and an international speaker. How will you earn in this business? It's very simple. First, you do retailing. Since we have 25 to 30% discount of all products, and now you will enjoy earning by selling. Number 2 is the direct referral bonus. Every time you share the business to other people and they invest a 777,000 shillings or UGX, you will earn outright 50,000 UGX or 50,000 shillings. So you can invite as many as you can because it is unlimited. Third one is the match sales bonus. Here you will create 2 sales force, the left and the right. If you put 1 person on the left and 1 person on the right, you will earn 100,000 UGX or 100,000 shillings outright. And it's unlimited. Meaning, the more you share the business, the more people join in your group, the more income you get. And it's easy, right? You must be passionate to become a millionaire. Investment is a lifetime. Start by helping people who can be passionate about becoming a millionaire like you. And that's it. That's all about the ways to earn. This is Coach Randy Atienza. There's a light in Africa. Thank you.